everyone. Hi! How are you all doing today? I've got a brand new surprise drawing for you, but shh! I'm not telling what it is just yet. We're starting with some fun colors and shapes, and if you stay with me till the end, you'll see the full picture come to life. And guess what? I would love to see your drawings too. Send them to me through Instagram, Facebook, or by email. It's all down in the description. I'm always so excited to show your artwork in my Sunday videos. Oh, and don't forget, subscribe to the channel. Hit the like button if you're having fun. Tap the bell so you never miss a new video. And share this with your friends so they can join the fun too. Let's get started. I can't wait to show you what we're making today. Ready? Let's go! If you liked it so far, make sure to subscribe, give a like, and tap the bell so you won't miss the next videos. So far, make sure to subscribe, give a like, and tap the bell so you won't miss the next videos. So far, make sure to subscribe, give a like, and tap the bell so you won't miss the next videos. done with our super cute elephant. Have you ever seen such a fun and silly elephant before? Well, get ready, because we're always drawing new and exciting things just for you. And hey, I really want to see your amazing art too. Send your drawings to me on Instagram, Facebook, or by email. You'll find all the links in the description below. Maybe your art will be featured in one of our next videos. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the bell. And share this with your friends so they can draw along too. See you again very soon. Bye!